Godfrey Nkambera's over-the-top, cheerful personality has been a constant sight at the rallies by opposition Citizens for Coalition Change, a prominent supporter for the new infant party led by Nelson Chamisa. A stark contrast in his demeanor as he recovers in hospital. He alleges that he was assaulted by police on Thursday, who are targeting him for supporting the new political party.
He was stepping on my neck and he was striking me at the back. They were hitting me under my feet with baton sticks and on my back with a thin whip-like wire which caused the tearing you see. Before they took me to the dark room, they told me that from today, after they beat me up, you will never wear your yellow garment or attend the gatherings again. Initially, I thought they were not being serious, but they really beat me up.
Triple C leader Nelson Chamisa claims there is continued harassment of his supporters in the build-up to the March 26 by-elections. He says he can't believe the state would go to such lengths to stop citizens freely expressing themselves.
I didn't expect that he would be brutalized the way he was brutalized. And I then later heard that he had been tortured and he had been beaten up, but in police custody. We then asked our lawyers to find out what had happened. The lawyers then told us that the comrade had been subjected to inhuman and degrading treatment and torture. And I've seen it for myself. I had to come just to assess how he is. He's in very bad shape. He tells me that he was beaten up by a combination of people who were in civilian clothing and who had vehicles that did not have number plates. And of course, he says he knows the people who beat him. So it's something that we are taking seriously. But what is disturbing for us is the attitude of government, that you would have the whole government through their mouthpiece, the Herald, and even state organs coming out to say that this comrade was in the process of committing a crime, when in fact he's telling me that he was actually just walking and he was blocked by certain individuals and certain vehicles, clearly showing that it's nothing to do with any offense that he committed. I suppose the only offense that he has committed is to believe in the alternative and to believe in change. So we are taking this matter seriously. This is what we have always said, that we run the risk of descending into chaos, and the chaos is being engineered by the state.
The government has noted the allegations, saying investigations into the matter are underway and a report on the incidents is expected soon. On Twitter, the Information Ministry posted that some police officers have been arrested. The tweet has since been deleted on the social media app. Nkambera is still expected to appear in court on Saturday, facing charges of destroying public property. Namabolani, SABC News.